So in this video, we'll be solving this case. In the normal case, as you can go through in the question, you can see the sales representative who sells two type of products. They are trying to determine the number of call they have to make for the next month. So the condition here is there are two products. For each product, they have the estimated commission. For one product, the commission is 10, and the second product, the commission is 5. And there are different constraints. One is at least 20 calls should be made for each product, and the calls should not be more than 100 for each product. And the next one, the sales representative is spending 3 hours for product one to explain it, and 1 hour for product two. Then there are 175 total selling hours which are available. Our objective is how many calls they should make so that it is the commission they are making is profitable. When we are dealing with a such case for LPP, acquire. For that case of LPP, so if you see the product P1, number of calls made P1. Okay, so the variables are P1 and P2. P1 is saying the number of calls made for product 1. P2 is the number of calls made for product 2. So the objective function is maximizing 10 P1 plus 5 P2 because 10 is the commission for product 1 and 5 is the commission for product 2. And the constraints are P1 should be greater than or equal to 20, P2 should be greater than or equal to 20, P1 is less than or equal to 100, P2 less than or equal to 100, then with the number of calls, 3 times into P1 plus 1 P2 less than or equal to 175. The first four constraints are self-explainable, so at least 20 calls and at most 100 calls. The last one is for each call there, for product 1 it is 3 hours, and for product 3 1 hour. The total calls available to take are 175. You can either put less than or equal to, you can also put equal to if you want to equate it. When we bring the same to Excel, we have already entered it, product 1, product 2. These are our variables, number of calls, commission for each product. Then for each lower value, we have taken 1001, another for not more than 10 and again 01, so that each are less, at least 20 and at most 100, then 31 for 175. We simply go to data solver. All the data is already fed in G3, changing variables, all the constraints are already given. Simply solve. So for this, if we want, we can also take the sensitivity report and all. But when we observe here, 175, this is a binding constraint. 100 is a binding constraint. Here there is a lot of 125 are used. There is a lot of slack. Here there is a lot of surplus, and here also there is a lot of surplus. Okay.